guys, so these are the final results of my closure install wig, and I'm really loving how this wig turned out. It's super pretty, and I love the curl pattern of this hair. This wig is just everything. This is one of the best wigs I've ever made. My eye is really red right here because I'm just scratching my eyes, so don't think I got punched or anything. But yes, this is a closure wig. I wanted to get a closure wig just for the sole purpose of having something I can just throw on and go. Frontals are all the rage right now. Frontals are really nice, don't get me wrong, I love me a good frontal, but frontals are just too much maintenance for day to day, and I can get really lazy sometimes, and I don't feel like gluing my whole frontal down. So closure wigs are super low maintenance. With a closure, you can just like literally stick it on your head and go. This wig in particular, I made it really snug, so it fits my head really perfect. The lace lays down super flat. I can barely tell where the lace is on this wig. I'm gonna zoom in just so y'all can see how flawless this lace melts into my scalp. It looks amazing. This hair is from Alipearl. If you guys don't know, Alipearl is one of my favorite hair companies right now. They have some really awesome hair. I'm wearing their Brazilian deep wave hair. I have 4 bundles, so I have 24, 24, 22, 22 with a 20-inch closure, and I pretty much use all 4 bundles. This is all that I have left from the 4 bundles. So this wig is pretty full. I like my wigs to be full, but with curly hair you can probably get away with, you know, 3 bundles or so because curly hair is pretty big, but I like my hair to be really full, so I normally go with 4 bundles. 24-inch, or yeah, 24-inch is my longest length, and it's pretty long. I'm gonna stand up so you guys can see how long this hair is on me. So this is how long the hair is. It's like right here at my waist. It's super long, and I love it so much. The hair is just so beautiful. The curl pattern is so nice. Like, look at that texture. It is so nice. Like, I love this hair so much. I wanted to do a curly closure wig because curly hair is super low maintenance as well. With curly hair, all you have to do is just like wet it, detangle it, and that's it. You don't really have to put product in curly hair, but I like to put some type of mousse or cream in my hair just to have the curls hold a little better. But yeah, I wanted to get just something really simple and easy, something I can just throw on if I'm just running out the door and I don't want to glue my whole frontal down. So closure wigs are really low maintenance and really easy to work with for beginners. I didn't experience much shedding from the hair. I mean, you're going to get some shedding with any type of hair because all hair sheds, especially curly hair. So I got some shedding from the closure when I plucked it, but of course you're going to get shedding from that. Yeah, the closure, at first when I got the closure, it seemed really small to me, but it is a 4x4 closure, so it's a standard size. I guess I'm just not used to how small closures are because I normally work with frontals. But yeah, the closure, it starts right here and it stops right here. So that's how wide the closure is. It's a standard 4x4 closure, and it looks really good. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see like a full 360 or whatever. This is how the hair looks from the back. Let me know if you guys want to see more closure wigs on my channel. I think I'm going to start doing more closure wigs because frontals aren't for everybody. I feel like frontals are cute, but closures are easier for beginners. So if you're just getting into the wig game and you don't want to go ahead and jump in with the frontal, I would definitely recommend a closure. You can just lay your closure to look like a frontal. I think this closure looks semi like a frontal. I feel like closures can be super natural looking if you customize them the right way. So I mean, yeah, I may have to go back to this closure life because I'm really feeling this wig. I really love the way this wig looks. It looks really nice. Yeah, that's pretty much all for this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next video.